Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add public holidays to iPhone calendar. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and at the end you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just go to the calendars application into your iPhone. Like this is the application. So open the app calendar, and once you open the application you will be seeing like these three options like today, calendars and inbox at the bottom of the screen. So just make sure to click on calendars, and once you click on calendars, as you can see like holidays in Pakistan, this is my local country, and you want to add like some other holidays into your calendar. So what you can do is just click on the add calendar on the left bottom corner of your mobile phone. And once you click on add calendar, you'll be seeing these three options: add calendar, add subscription calendar, and add holiday calendar. So click on add holiday calendar, and it will take a few seconds to load. And from here you can choose like your Australia, you are German, you French, like whatever your holiday calendar is, let's say like Hong Kong. So make sure to find your calendar, either it is India or Ireland or Israel, Japan or United States or Romania, whatever your country or whatever your calendar is. And once you find your holiday calendar, as you can see like there are like all the calendars available. So for me, like let's say this is the United States, so just click on United States, and after that just click on add. And once you click on add, and you can also preview, like as you can see there are preview options, 134 more events, and just click on add. And once you click on add, you will be able to add your holiday calendar in iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.